It's like you gave me superpowers. I'm on top of the world when I call you my girl. My heart's racing. I can't let, I'm into you. I can't let, from the truth caught my eye. Pull me closer. I'm into you. I can't let, from the truth caught my eye. Pull me closer. You got me breathing underwater. Baby, when you're around, oh, I can do anything. It's like you gave me superpowers. I'm on top of the world when I call you my girl. My heart's racing. I can't let, I'm into you. I can't let, from the truth caught my eye. Pull me closer. I can't let, I'm into you. I can't let, from the truth caught my eye. Pull me closer.
Obviously we are here for one reason. We're here for this awesome character that we all know and love, Mark Allegra. And everyone here, it's been a phenomenal stag do. It's been a phenomenal stag do.
That's made it from like 5-6 different countries. It's like I didn't expect this many people to attend, but I'm really happy that all of my different friends from different stages of my life are all here. Alright, now for DJ Gonzalo.